Tired of endless scrubbing? Want something that wipes out dirt in seconds? Then it's time to turn the pressure on. In this video, we're bringing you the top 5 best, most powerful and popular pressure washers on the market that'll save you time, effort, and money. Watch the full video and you'll know exactly which one is perfect for you. Let's dive in. Item number 5. Introducing the VEVOR 3600 PSI gas pressure washer, built for serious cleaning power. With 2.6 GPM flow and a 7 horsepower engine, it removes tough stains, oil, paint, and grime with ease. Equipped with 5 quick connect nozzles, a 26 feet abrasion-resistant hose, and a durable copper pump, it's perfect for any cleaning task: cars, patios, fences, or driveways. The sturdy steel frame, ergonomic handle, and 10-inch no-flat wheels ensure easy movement and storage. Ideal for both residential and commercial use, VEVOR makes deep cleaning effortless and efficient. Item number 4. Introducing the ROOMARK 3600 PSI gas pressure washer, your ultimate tool for tough cleaning. Powered by a 7.8 per 210cc engine, it delivers 2.6 GPM for powerful, wire-free performance. With 5 quick connect nozzles, a 26-foot hose, and a 2.5-liter detergent tank. It's perfect for cars, patios, walls, and more. Its durable brass pump and aluminum body ensure long-lasting use. Easy to assemble in minutes and equipped with big rubber wheels, it offers both power and portability. Perfect for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast who demands performance. Item number 3. Experience pro-level cleaning at home with this 3500 PSI gas pressure washer. Powered by a 7 horsepower 209cc engine, it delivers 2.3 GPM to blast away grime, oil, and even peeling paint with ease. Switch between 4 quick connect nozzles for any job, from delicate surfaces to deep cleaning. The durable steel frame, 25 feet hose, and 10-inch tires offer power and mobility. Perfect for rooftops, decks, vehicles, and more. No outlets needed. Built to last, this machine makes outdoor cleaning fast, easy, and efficient. Item number 2. Tackle the toughest cleaning jobs with the Homdox 4200 PSI gas pressure washer. Powered by a 209cc 7 horsepower engine, it delivers 4.0 GPM for unmatched performance, perfect for driveways, siding, vehicles, and more. Choose from 4 quick connect nozzles for tasks ranging from delicate windows to stubborn concrete stains. With a 25 feet hose, 3.6-liter detergent tank, and big rubber wheels, it's built for power and portability. Easy to assemble, EPA carb compliant, and factory tested, Homdox delivers commercial-grade cleaning for confident, professional results at home. Item number 1. Introducing the ASEP Energy 3400 PSI gas pressure washer, your ultimate cleaning powerhouse. With a 2.6 GPM water flow, 120-volt power, and a 25-foot high-pressure hose, it blasts away dirt from cars, patios, fences, and more. Equipped with 5 quick connect nozzles, a 1-liter foam cannon, and a total stop system for safety and energy savings. Easy to install, EPA compliant, and factory tested for quality. Clean smarter, not harder, with ASEP Energy, built for performance and durability. Which of these pressure washers is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.